In this tutorial, I will explain how to analyze keywords with the free Google Keyword Planner tool so you can determine which keywords have the most potential to generate traffic to your website. The first step is to log into your Google Ads account, and in a previous tutorial I'll show you exactly how to set this up in just a few minutes. After you have logged in, you need to go to the menu on the top of the page and then click on the wrench icon. Now go to the left and click on Keyword Planner to proceed. Over here you will see two options, and here I select View Search Volume and Forecast. Now you can enter keywords in the empty field, and there are several ways to quickly find relevant keywords for your website, as I have also explained in the previous tutorial. The next thing to do is copy and paste the keywords in the Google Keyword Planner to get some more insights. So copy and paste the keywords and then click on the blue button. You can also set a location for a specific country, or you can set it to all locations. In the first column you will see the keyword, and in the second column you can see an estimation for the average monthly searches. The third column gives a ranking for the competition score, so you can see which keywords have a lot of competition. In the columns top of page bid low range and the top of page bid high range, you can see an estimation for the cost per click, or also CPC, for the given keywords. This information is helpful if you also want to run an advertising campaign through the Google Ads network. So these columns will give you an indication for the cost per click for a certain position in the search results for the given keyword if you advertise with Google Ads. You can also add another column to get more detailed information about the competition score. And to do this, you first need to click on this icon over here, and then you can select the Customize Columns option. After that, you can select the Competition Index Value option and then click on the blue button to save the settings. Now you will see that the column is added, and this will give you more detailed information about the competition score. The only thing you have to do now is make a final list of the most relevant keywords based on the search volume and also on the competition score. Based on this information, you can make a list of the 10 to 20 best keywords and make sure you select the keywords with high search volume and with a low to medium competition score, because this will increase your chances to rank high in the search engines. Unfortunately, it's not possible to see the exact monthly search volume with the free Google Keyword Planner, and this information is of course very helpful to determine which keywords has the most potential. For the specific search volume for each keyword, you will need a premium keyword tool like SEMrush, and SEMrush has many more helpful features and options, and I will show you how this works in the next tutorial. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful in any way. I would appreciate that very much. Thank you for watching, and until the next one.